grown a lot in the past 7 years, and I think one of the things that we realized going into 2019 is, for the first time in our history, like, we have a legit HR department. We've got some amazing people working back there doing some really great things, and we thought, how do we get that information out? How do we get that to all of you? There are apps and websites and resources that are available to you whether you take our insurance or not, or whether you have our dental insurance or not, or whether you have our 401k or not. Those are available to you to take advantage of, and how better to get that information out than right here? And how better to do that than talk to the people that administer it every single day. So you're going to meet Laura and Kendra, who take care of this stuff every day.
My name is Laura Boehm. I'm HR administrator here at Atlas Medstaff. For our new video series, the HR Minute, I will be talking about Access and ADP. I'll also go over workers' comp, how to report a claim, any kind of processes with that. And I also will go over some of the apps that we can provide to you. We'll kind of go over that and then go from there.
Hi, I'm Kendra Kreipel, and I am an HR generalist here at Atlas Medstaff. And some of the things we will be covering in the new video series, HR Minute, is benefits, which is what I handle on a daily basis. What I do is, after Laura imports all of the new hires and individuals sign up for benefits, I make sure that the carriers get the notifications on time. If you have any issues enrolling on ADP, I can walk you through that as well. There's some really cool perks that come with being a member of our Blue Cross Blue Shield health plan, so I will be covering that. And just basically, any questions that you have, you can email me, or you can email benefits@atlasmedstaff.com. So if you have any benefit questions, certainly feel free to give me a call. My name is Kendra, and this is HR Minute.
If you have any of the benefits, if you work for Atlas, these benefits are available to you. You can watch the HR Minute every week to get those little bits of information and then utilize all those things that Atlas has to offer.